Now next, let us discuss how will you iterate over GLThread and print all the data objects that is held by GLThread. So continuing with our same employee structure, suppose we have a GLThread in which currently 3 employee type objects are held together by this GLThread. So our objective is to iterate over this GLThread and print each of these objects that is held by this GLThread. So simply we need to write a function print employee database, and the argument to this function is actually a pointer to the first node of this GLThread. So the argument to this function is a pointer to the first GL node which is present in this GLThread. Now simply this code is pretty much obvious and it resembles exactly similar to that of LinkedList which you have already learned. The only line that makes a difference is this following line. So you can see that in this line, head is a pointer which points to the GL node. And in order to get a pointer to the start of the object, you need to subtract the offset of this GL node from the address of this GL node. And this is what I am doing here. I have an address to the GL node and I am subtracting the offset of this GL node present in the structure so that I will get an address which points to the start of the object of type employee. So I will get the starting address. And once I get a starting address, I can simply print the employee details. Right? And the rest of the implementation of this function is very much similar to that of a traditional linked list. So now you must be able to grasp the main difference between traditional linked list and GLThreads. All the difference lies in how you obtain a pointer to the object from the linked list node. In case of traditional linked list node, you have void start data member and you simply write node arrow data in order to get a pointer to the object which is held by this node. Whereas in case of GLThreads, you need to subtract the offset to the address of this node in order to get the pointer to the object that is held by the GL node. So that's the only difference between traditional linked list and GLThreads. Soon we will realize that what other benefits we will get by playing this little trick, and you will understand that glue-based libraries actually solves the problem which traditional libraries cannot.